Sharif for Just Nailed It, and this is my first video of 2021. So Happy New Year, everyone. I hope you had a safe and fun New Year, the best that you possibly could have. Today we are going to be doing a little haul. It could be stuff from Amazon, Aliexpress. Let me see what else we have. I do have a gift, a Christmas gift that was given to me by IMethod. I really want to show that. And that can be also found on Amazon. I don't know the prices of things off the top of my head for the items I've purchased. I don't have links right now. If you want the links, leave me a comment, DM me on Instagram, and I will get them to you. So we are going to start out with this beautiful, it reminds me of unicorn stuff, fluff, I don't know what to call it. It's beautiful. Let me find a little thing to pour some in and we can examine it a little bit closer. I want to, oh golly. See how beautiful this is? I don't know if it's Mylar, I don't know how to pronounce the word, which way is correct. But this reminds me to do unicorn designs with. This was a huge bag full. I have split it up amongst, like, this is my portion I'm keeping. I have split it up against like 6 other women I'm going to share it with. They'll find out who they are when they receive it. I have got some gold holographic letters. These are also off Aliexpress. Let me shake it down for you so you can see how much you really get. I have not dove into this yet. So, and it is pooched, puffed, pooched. I don't know where to use there either. You get a lot in here. Like I said, I've not dove into it. I was going to use these for New Year's Eve, but what I had to, or what I wanted to go with it, I didn't have. But this is a great buy. I have these also in silver holographic that Tammy's Manny sent me. Let me get my other little, where are they? There we go. Okay, our next little item. I love these, that they come in these little containers. And things always stick to the top. Woo. And let me see how close I can get here. There's all kinds of little, the white that you're seeing down here, they're little tiny beads. But there's all kinds of goodies in here. There's little rings. Oops. A big ring. Let me see. Whoops. Okay, let me see if I can show you this one. Ooh. There we go. There we go. Really beautiful. They have gems in here. This is a large one. Let me see what this little bugger is here. This is a square diamond. Oh, that's beautiful. Look at that. That is gorgeous. I love these. Love, love, love. I've like kind of started a collection of them. Oh goodness, I almost dumped this. That wouldn't have been pretty. Not at all. I have got a set of 12 different color holographic leaves for the fall. I have 2 of these. I forgot when I ordered them, but they came kind of quick. Some of these things I ordered in September, and they're just now showing up. And this is, well, this is, you know, January 2nd, 3rd, whatever day I decided to put this up. But I've had these for a while. I didn't have them to use when I did my fall manicures, though. I had ones that Tammy's Manny sent me, and these are just really beautiful. Love, love, love. And I have a beautiful pink nail stand. I have 6 nail stands. I do have one pink one somewhere. I don't know where it's at. I don't see it out in front of me. I do have one like this. I think I'm going to pass this on to a friend of mine who has moved to Tennessee and is going to start doing nails as an occupation, kind of, you know, do it at home. So I think I might pass this on to her. She don't watch, so I'm not worried that she's going to hear this. These are some, I don't know if you want to call them bunny heads, Playboy bunny heads, whichever you want to call them. This also was filled like up to here. I have divvied it out. This is my portion I'm keeping. I've divvied it out among 6 other women. They will know who they are when they get it. My friend in Tennessee is also one, but she don't watch, so I ain't worried about her finding out. This job you do here is a great little item to have. It is to form your metal, alloy, what would you call it? New convenience, yeah, nail molds. You take, I got tape on mine, so hold on. I got the heart, which is what I ordered here, and you put the item in here, you put this down, you press down on it, and it puts a little groove in it, kind of. That way it can sit on the nail, and it's not flat. That way, you know, it adheres, to the word adheres. It's better, you know, placement on the nail. So, I might put this in a giveaway. I'm thinking about starting a giveaway for when I reach 1100. I'm at like 1023. It's been slow going since I hit my monetization in September, but I think I'm going to put this aside for a giveaway. I have got some foils. These all have to do with money. Like, I'm not going to unwrap them all because I won't be able to get them back in here. I don't know where the start is. Oh wait, let me see here. These like say crash, bust, recession forecast, crash interest rates, assets, mutual funds, market, something or another, government funds, slump. So, and they're all money related. Oh, this one says love. Huh. Maybe they're not all money related. That's got me see. Oh no. Sorry, I had to cancel her phone call too when she's at work. But these are some really cool foils. I got a set. I think I got someone else a set for Christmas. So this one I'm also going to put in the giveaway. If you will hold on for just one brief minute. Alrighty, we're back. Sorry about the interruption. I had to take the call. These are orange, green, and purple. They are little skulls for Halloween, which shows you how long ago I ordered them. Should have had them long before Halloween, and that didn't happen. But you can order them in multiple colors. As you see, I did. They are really cute. Can't wait to use them next year. Next I have some, this is by Full Beauty, which I do order from often. These would be water decals. And they are great for Valentine's Day. Start up here at the top, see how close I can get. Sorry for the wiggle and the jiggle on my hands. Whoops. These are really super cute. Cannot wait to use these. I mean, you don't have to wait for Valentine's Day per se. You know, they got the footprints there, which you could use for many different manicures. You got the Kiss Me, Follow Your Heart, Cheers, I Miss You, Start Your Day with a Smile. So, you can use those at any given time. I have some really, really super cute Barbie stickers. These are all so far from Aliexpress. I do not remember what I paid for these, and I wish I did because I cannot wait to use them. This would be a great link to pass along. So those are really cute. Next we have got butterfly stickers. I cannot wait to use these as well. I think they are really, really super cute. I don't know if you can see there, maybe. They're really cool. Okay, now I have got these flowers. There's no, they're just, I don't know, you could probably put a stone in the middle, a rhinestone, a gem, whatever. But they're just like plain. They are cute though, I do like them. Can't wait to use those. I bought, and I don't know why, a kitty cat ring. I don't have cats, I have dogs, I have two Chihuahua Pomeranian mixes. This is, I got big fingers, so I don't even know what size ring this would be. Let me see. Probably like 7.5 maybe. But it is really cute. He's got the cat and his tail wraps around her, his body wraps around you. Really cute. So I don't know what I'm going to do with that yet. Now I have got some water decals. They are ladies. Over here we have got princesses. And I think these are from Frozen. This I don't know about down here at the bottom. This one, these. I don't know about those. I don't know who the other ones are, but they are really cute. Really cute. Next, and just because Christmas is over does not mean you cannot do. We got a whole winter ahead of us. It's just starting. So we're going to have a lot of water decals we can pick from for the winter months. A lot of decals. Okay. Let me see, where am I? Okay, I've got 2 packs here. These are the same as this. This is just open. And they are Dior water decals. This is Gucci. Chanel. I don't know why I'm not using these yet. Louis Vuitton. So they're all same package. I ordered 2 for whatever reason, just to have backups, I guess. And these are the old English letters. This is a gold. We got a pink. I think these are really super cute. Next I have got Amazon. This I thought would be a great little idea thing for a brush holder for my acrylic brushes. Think again. Acrylic brush has to stay pointed down so that everything does not settle in the base of the brush here. So you have to keep it pointed down. This is one I use for acrylics, so, or not acrylic, but for glitter, so I don't care. So when I ordered this, I didn't think. This is technically a pen holder to sit on your desk, and I figured, well, I can use that. They were 2 for like $6, $7, something like that. And I can put my brushes. I figured, yeah, after I got it, and I'm thinking about it, yeah, no, you can't. So I've got a set of those. They come in a set. I ordered 2. I gave one away to a friend. I've got one, and I have a complete set, never opened. If anybody would like them, it'd be $6 plus shipping in the US. They're yours. Next I have an extra set of, thought I was ordering, me and Amazon went rounds over this set. I was ordering in the fall 2 different sets of Beetles gel polishes. This is 307 through 312. Ooh. This one here is a glitter. Let me see if I can go through real quick and show them to you. That is 307, 308. I ended up with 3 sets of this. One is mine, of course. One is going to Nail Crazy Mama. If you would like to purchase the other set off me in the US, 12 bucks I'll go for. I don't even know what set this is called because it's not what's on the box. This is 310. I don't know which fall set it is because even to go on Amazon and to look, I have no idea. One set's $10.99, the other one is $17. So we'll go in the middle and say 12 bucks plus shipping. I just gotta figure out how to ship it. This is like a mustard gold yellow. So if anybody wants that, or how I could put it in the giveaway. Forget it, I'm not selling this, I'm putting this in the giveaway. I didn't even think about that. This will go in the giveaway for when I reach 1100. I'm sorry to do that, jerk it out from underneath you. But that just popped into my head. Oh, I gotta do a giveaway with it. The pen holder thing, if you want it, somebody wants to purchase this, that's fine and dandy. This next item is from IMethod. I was sent this as a Christmas gift. It is 3 layers of gel polish. You get your matte, your glossy, and your base coat. And then you get 3 colors here. I think there's like 18 total. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So let's see, there's 12, 13, okay, 15 plus your foundations. I'm not going to run through. Let me see if I can do this. If I can pop these back. Those are the colors of what is inside. Let's see if I can do this. Okay. I am so truly blessed to have these. I feel, so grateful that I was thought of in the first place to send me these. And I just can't wait to use them. I've just been so busy in the month of December that, I had the 12 Days of Christmas with Pumpkin that we did together. And then I did the advent calendar for Charlie, so that was 24 days of nail art right there. And I tried to make each one a Christmas design. So let me show you these. This is again by IMethod, 100% vegan, cruelty-free, 9-free, longer wear. This is a great, great item. On Amazon, I cannot remember what they were going for. IMethod gel polish set. And then it's got the butterfly on it, which is a classic and exclusive gel nail polish set for all occasions. IMethod Beauty. Here are their social media platforms that you can contact them on. And ingredients and contains in case you want to screenshot that. Well, that is all of my haul today. My first video of 2020. I hope you enjoyed. Remember, if you want links to anything, I will do my best to get them to you. DM me on Instagram, just.nailedit. So yeah, this is the end. Thank you for being here. Thank you for supporting my channel for the last 3 years. Your presence and your support is greatly appreciated. And let's see what 2020 holds for us. Have yourselves a blessed day, and thank you.